After Lindsay Ell duetted with Everette on TikTok with a cover of Stop Draggin My Heart Around, the artists teamed up to record a video of the song together, and we have the exclusive premiere. Lindsay Ell and Everette, comprised of Brent, Rupard and Anthony Olympia, have officially teamed up to release a stunning cover of Stevie Nicks and Tom Petty's Stop Draggin My Heart Around. The trio got together in the studio to record the cover, and HollywoodLife is exclusively premiering the video of their collaboration. Lindsay, Brent and Anthony all play guitar while singing their vocals for the track. The video features Lindsay singing solo, as well as by the microphone with the guys for a sing-along. This collaboration came about after the artists teamed up on TikTok. Everette released a video of themselves singing the song, asking fans to duet with them on the track, and Lindsay happily joined in. Afterward, they decided to take things a step further and actually record a full version together. Lindsay is a rock star, Everette told HollywoodLife exclusively. After she duetted our video on TikTok, we knew we had to take this to the next level and hit up the studio. It was an amazing moment behind the microphones getting to hear our guitars and voices together. Lindsay added, "I've always been such an Everette fan. Their harmonies, their sound, it's truly unique. When I got an opportunity to sing Stevie Nicks and Tom Petty with them, it was an absolute no-brainer." Everette is currently on the road with Sarah Evans for her Blue Christmas tour. The guys will make their Opry debut on January 29, 2022, as well. Meanwhile, Lindsay recently released another collaboration when she teamed up with American Idol winner, Chase Beckham, for the song Can't Do Without Me. This year, she hosted the Canadian Country Music Awards and is hosting Canada's Got Talent. Lindsay released her most recent album, Heart Theory, in 2020, as well.